How to fix Crusader Kings 3 crashing or not launching. So if you want to fix the Crusader Kings 3 crashing or not launching, then just watch this video. First, what you need to do is open up your Steam, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and make sure that you've logged into your Steam. Now here you need to go with your library, and from library you'll find your game, which is your Crusader Kings 3. And from there you need to right click on it. After that you will find the option of properties. You need to go with properties, and once you've installed, or if the game is already in your device, then you will find the option of installed folder right here. You need to click on the install folder, and on the right side you will find verify integrity of game files. You need to click on that and let Steam finish the scan. This small step fixes most launch and crash issues because it replaces all broken or missing files. If the game still does not start, then open your graphics setting and lower your resolution. Then restart your PC and try again. This resets the game launch setup and stops most freeze or crash loops. Or what you can do is run the program as an administrator. Like for example, if this is the game that you are facing the problem with, right click on that game and then you will find the option of run as administrator. You need to click on it. Or you can also go with your properties and then you'll find the option of compatibility. Click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then go with run this program as an administrator and go with apply and tap on OK. After that, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.